Hi, I'm Mark Brandt with SICK Inc., and I am the sales director for the consumer goods industry. I'm here today with Peyton Tufts with TopTier Palletizing Solutions. And we're here today to talk a little bit about our partnership, which has been very beneficial for both companies. And especially excited to talk about the next generation end-of-line palletizer that you are releasing. Can you tell me a little bit more about the TTX?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Mark. The TTX is really the next generation low-infeed conventional palletizer that TopTier manufactures. TopTier is really known for our integrated concurrent stretch wrapping, which is a huge space saver. We're taking two traditional machine centers and putting them into one. With the new TTX, we've got a lot of design improvements throughout, including the stretch wrapper, which we can look at.
Excellent, excellent. So when you talk about kind of that concurrent solution, what's the benefit then to the customer?
Benefits to the customer. The big thing is we're taking two machines and we're putting them into one. So we have an integrated wrapper right there in the palletizer. On top of that, that gives us a really compact footprint. So we've actually got the smallest footprint in the industry. And we get a lot of layout flexibility on top of that.
Okay, and that's super important then, yes. You know, one of the things that we see kind of with the end users, challenges in regards to labor shortages and even the turnover of employees. So like the new TTX system, how does that benefit a company when they're dealing with those challenges?
The labor shortage is not going away. And operator turnover is more prevalent today than it seems like it has been. When we think about operator familiarity with the machine, we need to really make it as user-friendly as possible.
Right.
The operator today might not be the operator next week, tomorrow, etc. And so we've got huge improvements in our UI, our operator interface in the HMI. The screens are very graphical, intuitive, and user-friendly.
No, super beneficial to the end users. So, you know, one of the things I think about is just from a operator safety standpoint, it's probably very important that you're meeting the standards and the requirements to make sure that operators are being protected. You know, SICK, I know, is a partner. We supply and work with you on safety light curtains and safety switches, safety laser scanners. Can you just talk a little bit about the safety that goes along with this TTX system?
So SICK's been a long-time partner at TopTier. Safety has always been at the forefront of the TopTier design. We build all of our machines to Category 3, Performance Level D safety assessment. And with the fully enclosed safety cage, we've got the SICK light curtains at the exit, and we've got redundant safety latches communicating with the SICK safety controller.
Yeah.
So we've had a lot of success in situations where we have an existing line, and maybe the customer hasn't gotten to that point of ever thinking or planning for end-of-line automation. And so our big advantage is having that high level of layout flexibility.
Pretty exciting to have a new product like this, and certainly it's going to benefit a lot of customers. Kind of collaborating with customers to innovate solutions. I just see there's a lot of synergy between the two companies, and so it's been a great partnership, and we're super excited to continue that on in the future. So,
thanks, Mark. Likewise.
Yeah.
Yep.
And if you need more information, can they reach out to TopTier?
Yep, they can. TopTier.com, or you could reach us at sales.team@toptier.com.
Excellent. And if you're looking for more SICK information, that'd be info@sick.com. Thank you.
Thanks.